I've lived in the street now for about 27 years, and we've had serious issues, or several issues, with the no entry signs not really having any effect on the traffic coming through. They tend to be speeding through, trying to cut through all the traffic on Southmead Road, so it can be fairly dangerous. On a daily basis, it could be anything between 20 to 30 cars coming through the no entry signs. So hopefully now that we've got the cameras in position, they will have some effect and warning to people coming through that they will get fined for going through the no entries.
Everyone from the works is coming through straight down our road from 4:45 to 5:30. They turn the corner, they go about 50 miles an hour, they seem to think they become invisible, and you know, it's well nigh impossible to move out the house at that time.
I think the no entry sign enforcement will be a good thing, because at the moment people tend to ignore it. I hope that the camera will, once people start getting charged, that it'll stop people coming through here.
We've just heard from residents about the impact of having this kind of rat run effect going through Kenmore Drive. These new powers that have been given to us from central government will enable us to, for the first time, enforce these kinds of traffic restrictions in South Gloss. This is not about raising revenue, this is about changing driver behaviour to make areas like Kenmore Drive just a nicer place to live.